Okay, Dakota's top tooth is loose. We're gonna pull it out.
No, we're not.
It's just bedtime right now.
Right.
So, now what?
Now let's pull it out.
No!
Okay, let me just wiggle it.
No.
Come on. Let me just wiggle it a little bit. Wiggle it just a little bit. Okay?
Mom, you're gonna pull it out.
No, I can't pull it out in one pull. It's not that loose. I just
No,
have
Mom, you're gonna pull it out.
to- No, I'm gonna wiggle it a little bit.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
No, you're lying.
Come on.
Okay, fine. Let me see your fingers. Stop, Sam.
Why? Oh, get out of here. I'm gonna do it, not you.
No.
Chicken.
Fine.
Come on.
Don't pull it out, though.
Okay.
Please.
I'll just wiggle it. Okay, come on.
If you do, I'm gonna tell Daddy to whip your butt.
Okay. Move your hand. Get off my hand.
Oh my god.